Imagine trying to teach a machine to solve a problem when the only feedback you can give is a simple thumbs up or thumbs down at the very end. This is the reality for modern AI training on tasks where the outcome is strictly pass or fail. Take a look at this maze. The AI navigates the entire grid, making dozens of individual decisions, but it only gets a grade when it finishes. It either hits the goal or it doesn't. There's no partial credit for getting halfway there. The ideal way to train this, a method known as maximum likelihood, would involve grading every single turn the AI makes inside the maze. Maximum likelihood is a statistical principle used to find the model parameters that make the observed correct data as probable as possible. But the maze is a black box. We simply don't have that step-by-step data to feed the algorithm. Because we cannot see inside the black box to guide the AI's individual steps, we have to abandon maximum likelihood. Instead, researchers fall back on a workaround that loses its effectiveness as the tasks become more complex. That workaround is standard reinforcement learning, or RL. In this setup, the AI essentially wanders through the problem. If it happens to stumble onto the correct answer by chance, it receives a reward to reinforce that behavior. This works for simple puzzles, but as the complexity scales up, the probability of the machine accidentally finding the correct path drops towards 0. This graph shows the AI's learning signal relative to task difficulty. Notice how the signal plummets on the right side. When the pass rate is extremely low, the system lacks the feedback necessary to make updates. The algorithm mathematically stalls. It creates a gap between the complex reasoning tasks we want AI to perform and the simple problems it can actually solve through random exploration. To understand why standard reinforcement learning hits this wall, we first need to open the hood and examine the underlying math. The original maximum likelihood objective can be expressed as an infinite series of fractions. This is a Maclaurin expansion, a way of representing a function as a sum of terms. Each term is built on pass at k events. When we compare the standard reinforcement learning equation to this ladder, we see a specific omission. It is identical only to the bottom rung. The higher order terms are entirely absent. By only optimizing for a single attempt, the pass at one scenario, the RL algorithm ignores the rest of the mathematical series. Those missing terms are exactly what the system needs to learn from rare successes that occur only once in 1,000 tries. Standard reinforcement learning isn't a different method, it's a truncated version of maximum likelihood that stops after the first term. If we know those higher order terms are missing, we need a way to construct the rest of the mathematical ladder. This is the purpose of maximum likelihood reinforcement learning, or MaxRL. It is a framework designed to approximate the full likelihood objective by calculating those missing higher order terms. MaxRL achieves this through increased sampling. It allocates more computing power to run multiple simultaneous rollouts, generating parallel attempts for every problem. This injection of compute provides the data needed to fill in the blanks. Generating these parallel samples allows the system to calculate the second, third, and fourth terms of the original equation. MaxRL creates a compute-indexed family of objectives. It allows researchers to trade raw computing power for mathematical accuracy, bridging the gap back to the gold standard. Restoring this equation changes how the AI manages its attention, dictating which tasks receive the most learning energy. The truncated RL approach focused on easy wins. Because it only looked at the first term, it prioritized problems the AI could already solve, providing almost no signal for the difficult ones. This plot maps the gradient norm on the vertical axis against the pass rate on the horizontal axis. The gradient norm measures the magnitude of the changes the AI makes to its internal weights. A higher norm means the AI is learning more from that specific task. The new terms in the math shift where the updates happen. The MaxRL learning signal concentrates on the hardest tasks, the ones with the lowest pass rates. By completing the math, MaxRL stops the AI from wasting updates on easy tasks. It forces the system to prioritize the knowledge found in its rarest successes. MaxRL isn't just a tweak to a reward system, it is a correction of the objective function itself, aligning the training process with the principles of maximum likelihood. In the modern era of artificial intelligence, throwing more compute at a problem is often seen as a brute force tactic. But when that computing power is used to restore the full mathematical objective, it expands the range of complexity a machine can learn to master.